Hi and welcome to another video. It's been a while, but I picked up some old computers recently and they look pretty interesting. This is a Colossus. This is like, I don't know how old this is, but it'll be from before 2000. We've got a 24 speed CD drive. We've got a CD rewriter 24 by 10 by 40. And they've all got like volume controls on the outside. Got a real sort of clicky power button, floppy drive, and yeah, I thought I'd just see what's inside this, and maybe we'll have a look what's in here and sort of what it's worth. This one's got no additional graphics card, which is a shame. It's got built-in graphics there, video, and it nicely labeled up with all the different ports and things. Real old school power supply. This has been glued so that you don't accidentally flick the switch and blow it up. And yeah, this is definitely old school power supply, where you've got it over the top of the processor in here. Got some other cards here. This looks like a nicely spec'd modem, but also says camera here. And then we've got RF in, so TV tuner card, video, audio. But yeah, let's have a look what's inside. As far as I'm aware, the hard drives will have been removed, so that's good. And it's still quite heavy though, which is quite something. I guess it's the they don't make them like they used to. So that's the top off. It's in good condition. It's wow, that is very clean in there. Let's have a closer look. That is surprisingly clean. Like, where is the dust? Wow, it has got EDO memory, and then also SD slots, SD RAM slots. So check out my video on EDO versus SD RAM. EDO is slower, and it says a P55T. It's a SIS motherboard 5598 P55ST-A revision 1. And up here, got a little tiny heatsink and fan. So yeah, there's the TV tuner card. You can recognise the silver, which is where the sort of RF modulator stuff is in there. It's got ISA slots, but these are white rather than the usual colour, sort of black or brown. And yeah, this is an old ISA modem card. So let's have a look. Yeah, we've got no hard drives as expected. The top CD drive's disconnected. We've got a floppy drive and system inspection, conveyor inspection, PC check, final inspections, flash test passed. So they did a lot of checks on these systems. They probably didn't want to going out with any faults or problems. Let's have a look down here. So we've got 20 pin power. I'm just trying to like see what this processor is. Looks like it's going to be a Pentium of some kind. So should we fire it up and see what we've got? Before I do that, we've got a date here, October 1997, so that helps give us a date for when this system was made. Okay, so we've got everything connected up. Keyboard and mouse, age appropriate, and we've got this display here which will be able to show us how much power is being used. So I'm just going to flick the switch on the back, see if we get any power. I mean, I should probably test the power supply before doing this, but I'm just going to go for it. and see if we get anything. Doesn't look like we are getting anything. Just double check I've used the right power plug. Yep. Okay. So maybe we've got a dead power supply, maybe we've got a dead PC. Nothing is happening with this system. That is a shame. There don't appear to be any lights on this system. There's no beep. Nothing is happening. These all appear to be connected correctly. Okay, well, I guess I can try a power supply tester. I've got one of those. We're getting nothing from the power supply tester. Looks like the power supply on this one is dead. But apart from that, I mean, it looks like a nice sort of system. Old is good when it comes to PCs. Once again, checking I've got the right thing plugged in. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I'm going to try a different power supply in this system. Don't know if you can hear the rain outside, but it is raining quite a lot. This is where the power supply falls onto stuff. It's got kind of like a bracket holding it in place. Now we get to see the main board much more clearly. Put some real effort into cable management. And also got another cable management bit down here. See that it's a PowerWin power supply. It's not winning if it doesn't work though. It's 250 ATX switching power supply, and it's still got a seal up here, and I just need to try and untangle the CPU fan. We can also look at the motherboard to see if there's any damaged or faulty capacitors. Got some dip switches back here. I think the fan for the processor has been cable tied. So let me just get some scissors. Okay, so I've removed this power supply and there is something loose in there. So it's quite likely that has popped or something's popped in there. And I have this beastie other power supply I can use. But before we do that, why don't we have a quick look at the motherboard. It's very clean. There is dust here, but this motherboard is very clean looking. It's got these sort of clip-on things to hold these cables in, floppy drive, IDE, etc. And you've got 3-pin fan headers, which is pretty nice. Socket 7. Got CD audio cable, and another one going onto the main board because it's got built-in audio. But the capacitors look reasonable. There's not very many large ones. Yeah, let's put the power supply in. So I've got a 300 watt power supply HVC. This is a, as far as I'm aware, quite high quality power supply. With there's another video you can watch where I think it's called, they don't make power supplies like they used to. So yeah, this is quite a nice power supply. I've never had any problems with it. So hopefully we will get this system up and running again. Oh, I need to connect the fan for the CPU. This isn't going to be a very heavily edited video, just going to make life simpler. Power is off on the back here, connecting in, and let's see what we get this time. So I'm going to switch it on now, and we should see some, yeah, here's a little bit of power usage on there. And then if I press the power button, we have got a system that works. So we've got a 6x86MX PR233. So that's most likely a Cyrix processor. And we have got 64 megabytes of RAM, 1 megabyte is shared memory, and we've got a SIS 5598. And of course there's no hard drives connected. But yeah, we have a working system. Should you have a look in the BIOS? Chipset, power management, I don't know why the USB controller is disabled. May as well enable that. Supervised password, ID detection, save and exit. Maybe I should have just had a quick look at the actual CPU. Just trying to work out what the loudest thing is in this computer. think, yeah, it's the CPU fan. CPU fan is very loud. We're using about 48 watts. So let's have a look at the processor. And I'll just switch it off. So we can just about get to that processor, even with the power supply in the way. Switching off the power supply. And is it an easy? No, it's not an easy one. Doesn't seem to have an easy clip at all, so we would need to. Okay, I'm gonna have to remove the power supply again. It's quite interesting how quickly we moved on from this kind of system to the Pentium 2 systems, the AMD slot A systems, and then went back to sockets again. And yeah, quite quickly started ramping up speeds. But yeah, there was socket 7, you know, had the K62 500, K63 500. They were kind of the top end of this level of system before Intel came along with the socket 370. And yeah, you got some reasonably quick systems there as well. These little fans, you know, tiny little things, do end up wearing out. The bearings go, and they're quite easy to replace though. So I need a flathead screwdriver to take this heatsink off. Okay, so the reveal of what the processor, IBM 686MX PRT33. So it's upside down, but it just tells us what speed it's running at. It says it's running at 2 times 83 megahertz, and we've just got a little thermal pad. Then it's not actually thermal paste. And it's quite a small little heatsink, as you can see. Cool. Shall we have a quick look at this? Here we go. This is pretty cool. 2.9 volts. Corporation Cyrix USA. Nice. Well, I like it. I like it a lot. There's no AGP slot here, so yeah, unfortunately we're not going to find a any kind of interesting graphics card in this system. So let's stick that back in, put the heatsink back on, and there we go. There we have a nice little system. It seems, you know, quite well built. Shame the power supply was dead, but yeah. I now need to find, oh, there we go. That's surprisingly easy. So to end this video, yeah, let me know what you think of this system. What's the oldest system you've got? Leave a comment, etc. Subscribe. I've got some more of these old PCs that we can be going through, and it's a bit of a trip down memory lane. Thanks for watching. All right, bye.